Thank you for tuning in. This is Oscar with Tech Warrior. Today I want to talk to you about motherboard holders. If you're going to get into soldering, you're eventually going to work on a motherboard that's small, that's lightweight, and you're going to need a holder to help you remove or fix a component on that motherboard. This is the one that I have. There's a lot of them out there. There's some for just the iPhone series. There's some for iPads. There's some that have indentation to where you put your motherboard. It lays it flat. But I like this one simply because you can add a single motherboard in the middle, right? And it's heavy enough to where it's not going to move on you. It does have rubber feet on the bottom that will prevent it from sliding easy on you. I do use this little silicone mat, which helps a lot, but the holder is heavy enough to hold your motherboard in place as you're working on it. The only thing that it took me a little bit to get used to was the knobs. I'm trying to turn to the right, and it actually loosens up the holder. Okay. The main reason I wanted to do this video is I want to show you what I'm using and the features, or the main reason why I chose this one. But before we go there, I'm going to show you that if this annoys you, where you're trying to turn and you forget which way to go, you can switch out the two holders from this side to that side, so that when you're turning, you're actually tightening up the holder and not loosening it up. If you're left-handed, if you go this side, then you'll be able to tighten it up, or turn it to the left and you'll be able to loosen it up. But I'm right-handed and this kind of drives me nuts. So let's go ahead and change that. On here, you'll see some screws on this. You'll see a little stopper on here. This does come off if you want to work on reballing IC chips. I guess you can, but I've not used it. It does have little trays on here so that you can be able to remove parts or have your components ready for something else. But we are going to switch this out. There's 6 screws on the bottom. You don't have to take these out. Just remove the 2 on the ends. And we'll switch them out here pretty soon. All right, very simple. These do have little sliders on here. So when you remove it, let's get the other one out. You'll line up the little sliders to the little grooves that are built in here. Just like that. And then you do the other one. Hold in place. Keep your screws in there. And now, when I go right, I'm actually tightening it up. When I go left, I'm loosening it up. This one here, I'll just leave in place. Get my motherboard where I need to go into. And done. Okay, pretty simple. Like I said, reason I like this one is if I'm working on two different motherboards and I need to transfer a component from one to the other. I can set it up this way, right? Put it under my scope, get a component out, put it on this one, take this one out. However you want to work this, it's up to you. Or you have a lot of space in the middle to get a big motherboard in here. But yeah, there it is. That's a quick review on this PCB holder. It's really like it. If you're gonna be doing a lot of working on two motherboards at the same time, this is probably one that you might want to get. And that's it. Hopefully this video helped you out a little bit in deciding what kind of motherboard holder you're gonna get. And appreciate you tuning in. And if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. I will be doing more videos of entry level, what kind of tools to kind of get, what do I need to buy, and so forth if you're going into the micro soldering business. Like I said, thank you for watching. We're out.